Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. If your Android phone's gallery is displaying corrupted photos that appear half gray or missing sections, it means the image file was interrupted during saving, or your storage drive is failing to read the complete data. I will show you exactly how to recover your images and fix this corruption right now. Let's get started. First, the simplest fix is to ensure the actual image file is not completely ruined and that your phone is just struggling to load a broken thumbnail. Open your Android phone's main settings application. Navigate to the Apps menu, scroll down until you find your default Gallery or Google Photos application, and tap it to open the info page. Tap on Storage and Cache and hit the Clear Cache button. Restart your device, open your gallery again, and allow the system a few minutes to rebuild fresh thumbnails, which often instantly restores the missing bottom half of your pictures. Next, if your photos are currently being saved to an external micro SD card, the half-gray visual glitch is a massive warning sign of a physical read and write error. Open your main Settings app and tap on Storage or Device Care. Find the section for your external SD card, tap the three-dot menu icon next to it, and explicitly select Unmount. Wait exactly 10 seconds for the card to safely disconnect, then tap Mount to reconnect it. This forces the Android operating system to completely rescan the physical storage sectors, which frequently forces the broken images to load their full file sizes correctly. Finally, if the file is permanently corrupted on your local storage, you can almost always retrieve the perfect undamaged original file from your automatic cloud backup. Open your Google Photos app or log into the Google Photos website on a computer using your exact same Google account. Because Android devices typically back up photos the very second you press the shutter button, the cloud version is almost always safely uploaded before the local storage corruption occurs. Simply locate the pristine image in your cloud timeline, download it directly back to your device, and safely delete the gray corrupted version from your local folders. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.